Once upon a time, there was a dog named Max who had a dream. Unlike other dogs, Max dreamt of going to the moon. He built his own rocket ship using bits and pieces he found around the house. One night, Max set off on his incredible journey to the moon. He soared through the stars, feeling lighter than ever. As Max approached the moon, his heart raced with excitement. He took his first steps on the moon, leaving paw prints on the lunar surface. Max gazed back at Earth, feeling proud and happy. To mark his achievement, Max planted a flag with his paw print on the moon. But soon, it was time for Max to return home. He returned to Earth, happy to be back, but with memories of his great adventure. Every night, Max would look up at the moon and remember his incredible journey. And he would always dream of the adventures yet to come.